Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to make another video, and I started looking at it because I thought I'd actually send the gentleman the file that asked for help. And I said you needed 5 and 5, and you don't. This rack only had 4, and we're only going to have 4, but there's actually 5 shelves. The top 2 shelves need to be the same up top because the hole needs to go all the way through, and it doesn't need the recess. The middle 2 need so I spaced them out kind of. So this is the top shelf, the second shelf, the third shelf, the fourth shelf. But the bottom shelf doesn't need holes in the front. So you could take 2 of these. It would help to have the recess in the back. So what you're gonna do on one of the layers, we're gonna ungroup this and grab just the circles and hit delete, and then group this back together. So that's going to be your bottom layer. And then on this one, go to Object and Group, Ungroup, and grab just these circles. I guess they're grouped together. Grab just these circles and delete them. So here's your bottom 2 layers. And then of course we'll group this together, Control G. So these 2 will be sandwiched, so this will be a solid piece of wood on the very bottom with the recess holes in the back. And I wasn't gonna make a video on that, just that, but you know, I said that if you take a 1/4 inch dowel and this particular one, hit P, put it in the center of the page, doesn't work because it's right in a shelf. But you can hold down the control button and move it perpendicular, and I'd actually put it below a shelf. And they don't have to be perfect. That would work perfect because you wouldn't even be able to see it except for on the outside. And then you could put this other one down here. On this particular thing with this big, I'd probably put 3 holes. You know, let's Control D and make another duplicate, and maybe put the 3rd one just off here out of the way. Then just group that together and Control D, and this is your 2 sides. And then that way the holes are perfect. So for the person I'm doing the video for them, I am going to send you this file. And if you think it's worthy of cutting out, or if you want to redraw it, please help yourself. I almost wish you would. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.